Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm going to introduce a new idea which I think some of you are going to really like. Now, I post a lot of videos on YouTube and it's only going to get more. And I know that many of you are really busy and you probably don't have time to watch all of my videos, and that's perfectly acceptable. And also, if you've hit the notifications bell, it will be popping all the time. So what I'm going to start doing on a Sunday is a Sunday summary and signposting video. And in this video, I will talk about all the videos I've done that week and all the videos I'm going to do next week. So if you want a regular touching of base or check-in, you can just watch the Sunday summary and signposting. And underneath this video, I'll put links to all the videos that I've spoken about. And next week, you'll get links to all of the following week's videos. Hope that makes sense. So first off, let me talk about some of the videos that I've made this week. And if you're interested in any of these videos, you can go straight to the description box below this and click on the link therein. So let's get going. Started off a week ago with a garden tour where I gave you an update on all my current projects. Then I spoke about a woodwork project which I'm going to get involved with, which is I asked you a question: what should I do with a large pallet? And I gave you 3 of my ideas and asked you to give me your ideas and vote on my ideas. I have made a decision and you'll know about that in a moment, but that's the first video I made this week. Then I did a video about olive tree pruning. I've got 3 large olive trees in my garden and I wanted to talk about how to prune them if you want to get olives on your olive trees. Again, there's a link to that video below in the description box below this one. The next video I made this week was pruning buddleia. That's a task I do this month every year, and it helps to revitalize your buddleia and bring it into lovely new blossoms for the butterflies. So again, a link to that in the description box below this video. On Monday this week, I went to see my sister-in-law where she has a problem with a yew tree. So I did a video on yew tree rescue and yew tree care. Whilst I was there, she told me about 4 olive trees, which are really struggling and failing. So we did an olive tree rescue video with my sister-in-law. The following day I came home, and because we're in spring, I unwrapped my bananas. I'm going to show you the tops of those bananas at the end of this video, because it's incredible how much growth they've made in just 2 days. So unwrapping bananas ready for the summer. And then I did another video on the exotic tropical border on how to kickstart the border and get great growth throughout the summer. Again, there's a link below this one. Yesterday I went to visit my favourite garden centre, Knowbridge in Shropshire, and I did a feature of their tree ferns and an overview of the whole garden centre. So again, there's a link to that video in the description box below this one. Earlier in the week, I went and bought some new plants. These are they, Fatsia camouflage to be precise. So I'll be doing a video on the camouflage, but I also did a video at this incredible little garden centre I've discovered in Crewe. It's in a steelworks. So again, that was a video I did this week. Right, so let's talk about what's coming up. I've been sent some pond lights to review. They're solar powered, so I'll be doing a solar pond light video. I've had some incredible footage from my bird table with a camera in it this week. So I want to give you some updates on some of the birds that have been visiting my bird table. Now I've got an asparagus bed and they're just starting to pop up, but it's a very hungry bed. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to boost the asparagus bed so I'll get lots of lovely asparagus spears. Earlier in the year, I put some bulbs into a trough and they gave me a great display inside the house during the springtime. I'm going to recycle those bulbs into the garden, and that will be the subject of a video coming up. Easter's coming. I have nephews and nieces. I'm going to do a cute Easter tablescape up the centre of my dining table. Getting back to that woodwork project which I spoke about, which is a video I did last week, I've made a decision. Out of that large pallet, I'm going to make 3 garden obelisks. That was my decision based on the votes I got from you and what I really wanted to do. Several of you gave me the impression that you wanted me to make a hedgehog house. Well, don't worry, I've got lots of other spare wood. I'm also going to make a hedgehog nesting house this following week. Now, as you probably know, if you follow my channel, I'm doing a lot of work converting my garage into guest accommodation. And I'm getting to the stage now where I put the drains in for the new toilet. So that will be an upcoming video very soon. And also, insulating the internal walls downstairs in the garage will be a forthcoming video. So there we go. All those videos that I've signposted and summarized will be linked in the description box of this video, below this video. So hopefully, if you're one of those busy people that doesn't get time to watch them all, you can just watch this weekly episode and select what you want to watch. And it should save us all time, and it should save you a little bit of frustration. Before I go, the first thing I want to do is say thank you for being there. Thank you for watching. I'm now up to 21,000 subscribers, which is unbelievable to me, and I really appreciate you being there. I admit I don't always get time to answer all the comments. I literally get hundreds of comments a week, and it would be a full-time job. But I do appreciate it, and I'll try harder, I promise. Let me show you the top of these banana plants, which I cut down only 2 days ago. It's incredible how powerful nature is. Ooh, my knees seized up. Right, just look at this. That's where I cut it to. And that's how much it's grown in 2 days. 1, 2, that's 3 inches. The same is true on that one there, look. It's not that this has shrunk back. That is definitely growth. 1, 2, 3 inches. And the same here. And down there, look. And on the top of this one, you can see me in the mirror behind. Look. 1, 2, 3 inches. Isn't that incredible? I've also top dressed them with manure. Wonderful. These are going to have leaves right up at the top of that wall before long. That growth there, I suspect, is coming from down there. It might be that all the cells down there are expanding and pushing the leaves out, and very soon what you see there in the top in a spiral will come out and open up into a wonderful big leaf. So there we are, an introduction to my Sunday summary and signposting video. I was wondering whether to include questions and answers in this video, because I do get some comments with some answers that would probably benefit everyone. What do you think? Should I also include questions and answers in this Sunday summary and signposting? Let me know. I'll see you soon for some more house and garden adventures. Bye for now.